Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, oh my gosh, I had to share this because it is way too beautiful not to. This is from Gabby. I know, I seriously, she's been in a group video, then a Christmas video, and now this. You guys, she was spray painting gumball machines, and I didn't have all the stuff to do all that. And she's like, I'm gonna make you one, and that's what this is. But look how cute. I didn't know I was gonna get all this cuteness. Look at this. It's like ombre. She spelt it and stitched it in this bag. Tony, and then it says Craft Purge in a gold stitch. How freaking fancy is this? I can't even, girl, the talent to do that. Oh my gosh. And then she added this little dangle charm right here. Look at this, a little oh, it's coming untied. A tassel, and then all these little fancy wire wrap beads, cute little hearts. So cute, girly little racer. Oh, love, love, love. Open this up. Oh my gosh, guys, these had I think these were gumballs that she posted before, but look how cute the packaging is. A treat for your sweet. And look at, she added like the little felty heart. Oh, they were gumballs, yeah. But look, now they are gumball wire wrapped fancy beads. Love reusing packaging, let alone like cute packaging. Look at these fancy wire wrapped gumballs. Got like purple, these are like those crackle beads. And we've got, ooh, this is fancy. It's got like reminds me of like a bowling ball. It's got glitter in it. The fancy end cap, whatever the word is for those spacer beads. Purple and mint one. Ooh, look at this heart. Oh my gosh, that's like, almost looks like cheetah print from the inside. So pretty. Ooh, look at this mermaid one. Oh, that's so fun. And look at this one. It's like all pearls, like a hollow bead. Ooh, how fun. And then this hot, like, fuchsia pink one. Thank you so much, girly, for my crafty gumballs. That's so cute. And you guys, oh my gosh. Gumball reveal. Look how stinking cute Gumball is. So she spray painted it like a pink color, and then she did a gold glitter on the glass part, and she's got those little balls inside of there, and then she put a little gold heart. So cute, girly. Thank you so much for making one for me. Love it. I'm gonna put that on my tiered tray. And then, ooh, she's made some goodies. This is the sewn. Look at it, and she's got little beads in here too. Sewn, oh my gosh, the paper folding, and then she put that Dollar Tree pink mesh tulle on there. And these are all Valentine's Day theme, ready for me to just embellish. She did mama in a baby version. Thank you, girlie. I know the work it takes to do some of the like grunt work, you know. And then look at these. Ooh, these are like a matte finish little red seed bead. Ooh, these are perfect just to add to like any project, especially Valentine's Day. Or Christmas. I could do the red ones for Christmas. So cute, Gabby. Thank you so much. So much. All of this, like, when people send me stuff, I'm like, all I see is time, you know? Like, I know the love and the time and the patience it takes to make stuff like this. This is going straight in my Valentine's Day cart. All right, thank you so much, Gabby. I will leave Gabby's information down below, and I'll catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye, guys.